guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. I'm in Queensland this week and this is my friend Mike.
G'day.
And we are going to the
Rainbow Beach.
Rainbow Beach for off-road. So today Mike will bring me to show the view of the beach and have a new experience for the off-road on the beach. So let me move my camera to show you guys the view here.
On my car, my Defender, I have a lot of accessories and aftermarket products. I have some rock lights up here on the bonnet so that at night time I can see to be working on the car. I have two 7-inch spotlights. I have a winch and obviously the bull bar. Down on the bottom here I have some new lights. They're bigger, they're brighter, very easy to install. Made it a lot easier. On the side I have brush bars to help protect the bull bar by connecting it to the rock sliders down here. That all helps with the strength on the front of the car. I've got a stainless steel snorkel, so much better than the one that goes on the side with Land Rover because these are only air intakes. This is a full snorkel, so I can drive through very deep water. GoPro mounts, one for each mirror. I can put GoPros here, take videos of my trips while I'm on the road. I have a 360-degree awning. This awning will come right across the front of the windscreen and right across the back of the car, as well as coming out 2 meters this way as well, 2.3 meters. I also have work lights on each side of the car, and along with the we call it a lunchbox in Australia, but just the utility box. In there I have my tire deflators, some funnels, and some bits and pieces that I need on a regular basis when I'm off-roading. Boxes. In this particular one here, I have a fire extinguisher with another fire extinguisher inside the car. Again, some more work lights, but they're also reversing lights, so when I reverse they will come on, but I can also have them on to work with as well. This box here carries my jack and my recovery gear, the snatch straps, the towing straps, anything to do with recovery to try and get out of a bog or help people out. Here is my Max Tracks, which obviously helps you out with the bogs as well. So from Summers Autos in China.